why you like Harvey, what you're doing here?
4 years ago, and style-wise, Harvey really caught my attention. I didn't know much about him, so I did a little research, found out that they actually had a history. They've just kind of did a whole, we'll just say Renaissance revitalization and coming back out. A lot of people I trusted and respected were using them, so it felt like a comfortable decision. They supported the maker community, the woodworkers, everybody from all account sizes, which is also pretty awesome of them. So yeah, I made a video that almost got me into the running to win a table saw. So I'm here today just to say thank you to Jeremy and Jack and everybody with Harvey for supporting all of us makers and content creators.
Hey, I'm Matt with 731 Woodworks. You got to check out some Harvey tools. I have their Harvey Compass. They just come out with a Pro model, which is fantastic, and the new table saw fence is going to be on my saw soon. Check them out.
Matthew Peach with Matthew Peach Woodworking. Love Harvey tools. What I love about Harvey tools is the quality of the tool. I found this out years ago, actually before I had a reputable channel. All from stemming back from working in sawmills, working with this older equipment, working with quality equipment. As soon as I saw Harvey, even actually before I knew the name, I could see the quality in the material. That's why I chose to work with Harvey.
If you do not have some Bridge City Toolworks tools in your shop, what are we really doing right now? We need to have sexy tools to be able to actually perform what we do. There's actual tools that show you what you're doing, but then there's some classy tools where you just feel like you're a classy woodworker. To me, that is Bridge City Toolworks. And then when we go to the Harvey side of it, that's just straight actual amazing quality work of the tools that's unbelievably better than the other teams. Let's just be honest. So that's why I am a Harvey's and Bridge City Toolworks fan of all the tools.
Hello, Harvey Industries. I've been to your warehouse. It's amazing, immaculate, very clean, very well run, and everybody there is super nice. So if you've never been there before, you've never ordered their tools before, just know it's coming from a place of true professionalism and lots of organization.
Stephen Clyde with SC Creates out of Southern Utah, and I love Harvey. Everything you touch with it, you just know it's super good quality, and there's no denying. Everybody who comes into the shop, I say, dude, you got to touch this table saw because it is legit. So in hand planes with the Bridge City, I just love every bit of it. So here having a good time at AWFS, and got invited to the after party, and just excited to be here.